This is gorgeous view, but it is so dangerous at the same time. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you doing, Mom?
It's not moderate, it's hard.
We're going to hike up the Allstone Lake hike. This is our crew. Very windy. Aaron has some. Ayun na, di may sandaan. Another one. Are these hiking poles? There's my mom. Yeah, we're crossing the highway. It says 7 kilometers. We're ninjas.
Okay, let's go.
The first 2 kilometers of the hike is a killer. It's so hard.
I'm carrying all their backpacks.
You get to carry all their backpack.
The mule. I'm the mule.
So, tips number 1 when you're going hiking in the winter. Don't overdress, because by the time you get moving, you're gonna overheat. So do not put too much layer on. Just enough layers for windbreakers and layers that is breathable inside your back in your windbreaker, because it gets really hot. I'm flushed already. Any tips and tricks? Tips number 2. There are places where it gets really hard, but it gets better. On the heart, on the trail. Tip number 3. Have hiking poles. It's gonna be your best friend. Number 4. Have some sugar. So, tip number 5. Slow and steady and consistency. Because we just hike up that area. Very steep. So slow and steady when you're climbing up, and you will get there. Number 6. Find people that will keep you going and keep you pushing.
Alright guys, welcome to the Wet Shoe Club, the most epic family adventure. Today we are hiking Allstone Trail. So ayan, I stopped 10 times already in within an hour of hiking. I'm not gonna lie, it is a pretty steep ascent. It is I forgot. I'm gonna have to check my map, but you know what? Give us a break, you know? We're just coming back from the holidays. We got turkey weight carrying up this mountain. So, you know, give us a break. But anyways, Ayana wants me to do the tip. You know what makes this adventure really, really fun? Positive attitude. That's what you gotta have. That's the number 1 must have when you're hiking. So that's it for now. I'll get back to you if I find any more tips for you guys.
Tip number, whatever it is, have some fewer energy. Jerkies. It's very steep. How high are we now, Aaron? Let's see your fancy watch.
Guys, we've gone about 0.9 kilometers, I think.
Elevation wise,
40.
we're getting close somewhere really high up. Remember, they have an open area and there's a trail over there. It's very windy. It's super windy, but we got this. This is very steep and I have to take time to get up there, but it's super beautiful up there though. Just very windy. Beautiful view. Tip number, whatever it is, put gators on. It's a little bit high up, has been a steep all the way up. We're a little bit halfway and we head to the view, but it's beautiful. It's a little backwards. There. Look, wind, still so windy. I lost count of the tips and tricks that I have because it got to the point where it got so windy. I don't even know if we got make it there. We'll see. We made it this far. If my mom can do it, so can you. This is gorgeous view, but it is so dangerous at the same time. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you doing, Mom? So, what do we want to do? This is the road to the summit or to the lake?
Okay,
Lake?
your backpacks now, please.
Lake? Aaron, what do you think? Lake? I don't think I can climb that up. So we end up choosing to go to the lake, and this is the path that leads to it. It's gorgeous. A little foggy over there, but not too bad. Beautiful. Love the mountain. is a super really hard hike, and I think we are lost. Yeah, it doesn't look like a trail at all. What?
I don't feel confident about this trail.
So that's the problem about all trails. I mean, like the Allstone hike, there's no markings. So if you are hiking by yourself, there was a whole bunch of people earlier that we were kind of following, but we lost them. We are a little bit slower than them, so we lost them. There's some trails everywhere, but we don't know which way to go. So we're just gonna find a lookout, have lunch, and go down. Here's my other second winter jacket. Overpacked.
All right, guys. This is the end. This is as far as we'll go.
I didn't really have enough time to rest, and then my legs are tired. We've been hiking for 3 hours, and we didn't make it to the lake just because it was super scary. We are first time hikers, but we were in a summit, a beautiful summit, a lookout, I guess, and it was sometimes other paths lead us to a different destination, which is totally fine. What are you?
I'm snow injured.
Are you gonna go down and slide up? What?
I'm just trying to make myself nice and smooth.
Mom, what is your take with Allstone's hike?
It's a hard trail. The snow makes it harder.
Yeah, in the wind. Probably without the wind, it's not too bad. Yeah, but other than that, it's a little tricky for a first timer. Where it's our first time hiking on the winter.
Anyways, no, yeah. Proud of these guys making it all the way up. 55-year-old and mom with 2 kids.
Who doesn't work out?
Yeah, that doesn't work out. Yeah. 4 hours of sleep, a little dehydrated. Proud of these guys, like I said.
What would you do different? What's your tips? What would you do different?
Let's see. What would I do different? Proper footwear for sure. Saw these 2 girls in like running shoes. I feel bad for them. What else? Hiking poles, obviously. Good map for this one.
Would you recommend this to someone? Anyone?
From what we saw,
It's a beautiful hike.
yeah. I got some ideas.
It has to be in the summer.
I got some ideas. I just don't know what they are yet. What else?
Summertime probably would.
It's doable. It's doable for beginners. I think it's an intermediate map or trail, but you know, proper gears, positive attitude will get you a long way. Yeah, and good map.
Shoes wet.
Windy.
And wind. if you're gonna do that hike in the winter time, make sure you have hiking poles, gators, and crampons actually, to be able to go to places.
Positive attitude.
And positive attitude, Aaron said. But other than that, it was a great experience. Bring a toboggan to go down the hill when you're coming down, because like there's a lot of steep area that you could have easily just slide down with the toboggan. But other than that, it was a fun time. Great experience. Hair is all crazy. And now we go home.